Hello. It's another morning. Hi. It's looking good in here, huh? Today is Saturday. I'm gonna open the door today. In there. So I gotta move that crap. There's that. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out the link in the bio. Alrighty, let's get some stuff. Alrighty, we got it open. Not too bad. There's one cockroach and two really tiny ones. There's also a drain in the floor. I clogged it there. I'm guessing the sink used to drain into there or something. I'm not too sure. This house has had obviously a lot of changes. I hope that's not supposed to be like a... I wonder if that's still connected to the sewage. I didn't smell anything coming out of it, but I didn't check that close. So I'll do that sometime. But now, I think I'm going to fill this part of the room here with flooring, all the way out to around here somewhere. Alright, my wife just got home with the kids. I want to see what she thinks about this new opening. So we're gonna try to catch her reaction. One sec, she's taking a while to get Zeke. Sandra just had a big smile on his face.
I knew it. It already looks brighter in here. Wow. That's so exciting.
Yeah.
First step through. Ready, set, go!
Sandra like stepped in and he was like...
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
I like it.
Cool.
The day has come.
What's up, guys? It's a Sunday, and voila! And there's Zeke. I think we're going to move the couch over here today. Slash, I'm gonna move it. So I was gonna mop this area, and then I think I'm gonna move the couch and stuff over here. All right, now we gotta move the couch, which this is a burrow couch. I do have a review on it. I'm gonna make another review soon because we've had it for, I guess, a year or so now. And I wanted to give y'all an update on what I thought about it. So go check out that video after this one. But I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna move it. There's these down here that you just undo, just like that. And then there's one down there. So I got the other one. And then this, I'm gonna just set this over here. We got this one, of course. I forgot that there's 3 little clips that are plugged, not plugged, but clip here, and then a clip here that goes to the other side of the couch over there. And that's that, pretty easy. Hey, so one of the problems we have over here is the Wi-Fi. So I have this, a box. So this box contains Google Mesh. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, so we got this last year for our 2-story house, and it seemed to work really well with a 2-story house. So I'm gonna install this / plug it in. So the way this is supposed to work is that this is a hub, and let me untangle this first, and then I'll tell you. Oh, this is still recording. Oops. Okay, so the way this works is we have a hub, which is here, this white thing, and that's plugged in to my modem / modem router. But this is technically a router. I always forget the difference. The modem's connects to the internet, and the router is the thing that sends out the Wi-Fi signal. I think that's correct. Maybe not. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that plugs into there, and that is the hub. And so that gives Wi-Fi signal to anything. It's like the same way you would go into your phone, hit settings, hit Wi-Fi, and then you would select the name of your Wi-Fi, and that would connect to that. So this right here is I don't know what you call it, as an extension. You plug this into somewhere, and this connects to the hub. And they talk to each other, and somehow they make it where the Wi-Fi is extended to this and extends the Wi-Fi. I don't know how it technically works. Okay, we're slowly getting set up here. Google Nest or Google Home. Did you hear the sound? Yes. So it's usually pretty smooth setting up. It just tells you everything to do, so there's no reason for me to go through all the screens on here. Alrighty, I just got done connecting this. It took me about 20 minutes. My mesh point, which is the one that's not the router, was having trouble connecting, and so I had to reset the device, and that worked. So if you have a Google Mesh Connect set up at one house, you move it to another one. I just suggest resetting the devices and then connecting it from that way. Make it much easier. So there we go. Just turned on the electricity in here, so that's exciting. Looking good. Next up, I think I'm gonna put my TV in the stand back here. We got power. Look at that. It's looking good. It's crazy. It's like been such a long time in the making. I think we got our plans first in December, something like that, and then we got soil testing done in January, but now it is, what is it, September? Is it September? September 18th. It just takes a long time to do this stuff. Now we've only been building for a couple months, 3 months I guess, and it's still not completely done, but it's getting there. And let's see if well, let's go to YouTube. Might have to change the networks to my mesh. I mean, this is loading though.
This is up and running. We got the chase.
Yeah, it's running. It's not even on the mesh either. New Modern Warfare 2 is coming out. Go check it out. Not sponsored, but I'll be playing. You know, try to get in that Twitch stream. You dig?
I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursue, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me.